unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
The furnace flame should not be always on. It operates in cycles. Typically, the flame ignites to heat the space to the thermostat's set temperature and then turns off. Continuous operation can indicate a problem, such as a faulty thermostat or an issue with the flame sensor. It's advisable to seek professional inspection if the flame doesn't cycle off.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.